Now, students, this is the last section of the entire chapter, and it deals with islands. If you see the map of India, you can see on the right hand side and on the left hand side of India there are two group of islands which are circled in green color. The one to your right hand side is the Andaman Nicobar Island, and one on the left is your Lakshadweep Islands. Now let us understand these islands. Basic facts about the islands. An island is a piece of subcontinent land that is surrounded by water. So a land piece that is surrounded by water is from all sides is called an island. India has two group of island. One, Lakshadweep in the Arabian Sea, and two, Andaman Nicobar in Bay of Bengal. So in the map you can see that towards your right hand side you have Andaman Nicobar, and towards the left you have Lakshadweep. So now let's learn a few things about Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep composes of small islands of coral origin. Now, Lakshadweep, the name Lakshadweep, that means lakhs of island, and the small islands, and these small islands are formed due to coral. Corals are microscopic and you can say microscopic insects which die in large numbers, and when they accumulate they get stuck up with one another. These form small pieces of stone, and this go on increasing, and finally they get into a huge size. So it is very difficult to understand that a microscopic animal, dead bodies of microscopic animals creating a total island, it is unimaginable, but that's how it happens, and it has happened, and it took millions of years to form. It did not form in 1 or 2 years. These islands were previously known as, three names were given. In this group of island, Lakshadweep had three names. One is Lakshadweep, Minicoy, and Amindev. These were the three names. Next we come to Nicobar Island, Andaman Nicobar. The Andaman Nicobar Island can be divided again into two broad categories. The Andaman in the north and Nicobar in the south. Now this island, although it is not written over here, but still I'll discuss it, that these islands were formed due to volcanic activity. So its origin is volcanic. Whereas Lakshadweep, we have studied that Lakshadweep's origin is coral. So this is of volcanic activity. It formed due to volcanic activity. These islands lie close to the equator and hence experience equatorial climate. So as these islands are close to the equator, they have more or less equatorial climate. And in equatorial region, you know, it is hot, it's humid, it rains heavily, and it has a thick forest cover. As there is a lot of water, so it has a thick forest cover. So that ends the discussion of the chapter. But now let us understand few more things. The diverse features of India has immense future possibilities of development because of the following reason. Now, India can develop a lot due to its physical features, different types of physical features that we have read. The mountains, the plains, the desert, the coastal area, the plateau, the islands, all these provide immense chance of development. Why? Because mountains are the major source of water and forest. So we have unlimited supply of water. Most of the perennial sources of water, Ganga, Jamuna, your Indus, Brahmaputra, Ghagra, Gandak, Kosi, all these rivers, the major rivers of India, they start from the Himalayas, and which has unlimited supply of water. And in the Himalayan mountain area, there's a lot of forests. Secondly, it helps in maintaining ecological balance. Nextly, the northern plain is the granary of India. We know that northern plain is extremely alluvial soil, and hence a lot of types of crops grow there. Third, the plateau. We all know that plateaus are storehouse of minerals. All types of minerals are found in the plateau region. And final, the coastal regions and the islands provide site for fishing as well as tourism. So here we end the chapter.